Well, JJ and his toilet obsessions went a little out of hand today. He totally flooded the floor. I have towels all over the floor. It was pretty bad. I don't know what he was doing with the plunger. He has the top off the tank. His iPad's there. I put his other iPad away, so he's not going to have an iPad for a long time here. At least a few hours for sure, if he gets it back at all. I'm not sure yet. I know he can't help himself, but that's getting a little carried away right there. Why did you do that in the bathroom? Why? You can't help yourself? Are you sorry?
Oh,
Are you going to do that again?
yes.
You're going to flood the bathroom again? Yes or no?
No.
You know you're not going to get no iPad for a while, right? No iPad for a while. You definitely have to majorly earn it. You're going to be cleaning up that bathroom, getting all the towels up, putting them in the laundry, and washing them. Well, what JJ did upstairs bathroom causes it to leak down here. And it's, at least, last time it flooded, it just went all over the place, including the garage. But it looks like it's maybe limited to here now. Let me see what's going on here. Oh, shoot. It's leaking in the light, for goodness sakes. What? JJ, this was definitely not a good way to start your spring break, bud. Off to a terrible start, but it's all right. We'll get it cleaned up. Hopefully you're learning something from this, not to do that again.
You want something, babe?
You want something to eat, buddy?
You hungry now? Yes? You got your spinner? Got your spinner?
Mm-hmm.
That was a lazy yes.
Yeah. It's after 12 o'clock noon now.
Yeah. Buddy coming down after 12, dang.
I know he felt bad about what he did.
Well, now you know why you can't play with the toilet, right, JJ? That's why, because it floods, and you don't want to do that.
I was going to show him what the damage it did
made a big
downstairs,
mess.
but he wouldn't go because
Yeah.
I think he just knows it was not
Yeah,
good.
we can't do it no more, sweet pea, honey. You have to learn what's right and what's not right.
You just have to fight your urges. You have to do things. You just got to try to fight them.
I mean, think about it a minute. Does Mom and Daddy and Natalie play with the toilet? No. So JJ shouldn't do it either. But we learn from our mistakes. We can do better.
Whenever you go to the bathroom from now on, though, I mean, they'll all be locked. You call us and we'll
Tell
go
us.
in with you.
Yeah. We have to do that because for safety. Look, it flooded the stairs. It flooded up there, and that's bad. That's ugh. What was in the toilet that flooded? I'm afraid to ask.
I don't even know if it flooded. That's why it didn't look flooded to me.
Well, how could water get all the way down?
I don't know what
Unless
he
he
did.
was going crazy plunging doing this and it was splashing everywhere and he kept doing it over and over.
I don't know, unless he turned the shower on and...
Oh, I have another idea.
What?
Was the sink going with it closed?
It wasn't when I went in there. Anyway,
Let's let it go.
his iPad was sitting right there by the sink, so with the toilet tank lid on top of it, I mean.
Well, anyways,
So,
it's over now, JJ. We'll get over it and we'll do better next time, huh? I love you.
Sure.
Look at me. Look at
Tomorrow
me.
will be Sunday.
Yeah, it will be. Say, are you sorry?
Sorry.
I know. I love you. What? What do you want now? Are you hungry? Okay. Sunday no school, Monday no school, Tuesday no school, Wednesday no school, Thursday no school, Friday no school, Saturday no school, Sunday no school.
Remember, that's when the trees were big.
blowing big.
Look at her, JJ, the dog. Look at her.
She's been trying to play with JJ. She was grabbing a hold of this. Look at JJ, look. Do this.
I'm standing here probably. Making her nervous.
She was playing with JJ's feet, so that's a start.
Awesome, yeah.
She was like, and licked his knee.
Are you playing with JJ?
She's trying to anyway.
Fun, JJ. Look at this. You want to look up the tree? This is what JJ's excited about.
Remember that? It was really windy.
Huh? Fun, JJ. Look at this. You want to look up the tree? This is what JJ's excited about.
Zelda, look.
Foot. Okay, foot. Get a foot. Get Zelda, come here. Get his foot. 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 She was trying to play with his foot.
Was Zelda trying to get your foot, bud?
He's
Yeah,
really
no,
cool
she tried
about it.
to.
He's nice. He doesn't even try to like.
Mhm.
I'm trying to get him to play with her with the stick. Look at Zelda.
She's gonna try to grab your stick. There she is.
I think she's getting used to JJ. She's like comfortable.
Get it, baby. Get your stick. Get it. Get it.
She want to shake? Oh, she's shaking again. Oh, Mama loves. Get up. Zelda's biting my hand. Zelda, get your stick. I love you, my Jay. She's precious.
She likes playing with that ball. Do you like Zelda? Do you like our dog? Her name's Zelda. I know, I see it.
Loud.
Loud. Like the wind to blow loud. Yeah, like it. You want me to get your chewy? Yes or no? No? Because you're grinding. I can get a chewy and put it around your neck so you can chew on it if you want. Yes? Maybe. Maybe, buddy.
Pretty close.
There's a ball. Ready? Ready? Go get it! Go get it! Look! Boom! No. Not when you're playing with me, are you? No? You gonna let me pet you?
Get windy.
Is it getting
That's what
windy?
you want.
Yeah, it might get windy.
It's a little bit. Let me see what it says. in the
Super
weather.
windy.